Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Mudia and this channel is all about showing you how to make money online, and these are methods I've tested and I'm using, and I come here to show you guys how I do it. If that's what you're interested in,
I'm listening.
Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, click on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my future videos. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can make money on TikTok by creating Reddit videos, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to lay everything out. You may have seen other videos how this is done, but in this video, I'm totally going to dissect everything step by step, how you can start creating this video, and you can do that as soon as possible. So if you're watching this video, you have your laptop, you have your phone, you can follow me along so that you can create this video right now. And in this 2024, you have to get started. You have to put your foot out there. Don't procrastinate. So if you're ready, you can just follow along with me. Or if it's something you want to do later, you can save this video so that you can come back to it later and create this video yourself. So how we're going to do this is a simple 4-step pattern. Step 1, go to Reddit. Step 2, convert the text, get some nice stories from Reddit, convert it to MP3 voiceover. Step 3 is to take Minecraft parkour videos from YouTube and use it as the background layer of the video. And step 4, put everything together on CapCut. And I'm going to do everything with you step by step in this video. So step 1 is to go to Reddit. And usually I just go to Ask Reddit forums, and here you see different questions being asked by maybe the admin or members of the public. So here, usually I just come to Ask Reddit and I filter by the top videos and for this week, so that I can get the most recent videos, because a lot of people are doing this. So you want to do something that is more recent, something that others have not done in the past, so you can even filter by today so that you can get the earliest videos, earliest texts or earliest stories that have been out for that particular day. But usually I just filter by the week to get the best overall for that week. So I've already done this and I've seen something that interests me. So this question here: what's something you did that you later found out was illegal? So this is how the question will be framed in the video. That's like the Reddit video. Yeah. So we're going to do everything step by step. I'm going to copy this text first of all and take it to my text-to-speech software, which is 11 Labs. So here, what I'll just do is get this text I've copied here, copy the question, go to 11 Labs and paste it, and stick with me throughout this video. I'm going to show you exactly what you can add while making this video so that you get the best views possible. So just follow me to the end. When this video is about being concluded, I'm going to mention a tiny thing you should add, which will help with the SEO and help with the views of that particular video. So let's go back to the text. So here, to also filter by the best answer to that particular question. So it will be like, what's something you did that later found out was illegal, and the answer or the response will be the next thing that will be displayed. So I just copy this particular one. So if you want to make it longer, you can add maybe 2 or 3 responses. Like maybe this will now be story 1. Yeah. So if you want to add more so that you can make the video a bit longer, you can add story 2 and look for another response. You can, this can be another response used to by, this can be another response, or this can be another response. So you want to make the video longer, you just look for more responses to these particular questions of what's something you did that later found out was illegal. So you can just keep on doing that if you want to make the video maybe longer than 1 minute or 2 minutes. So when you use text-to-speech software, you tend to know the amount of text that will make up to be maybe a minute or more than that. But for the sake of this video, let's just stick with this, just this alone. So once you've gone to 11 Labs, if you've not signed up for 11 Labs, there's a link in the description. When you sign up, you get, I think, 20% off your first purchase. So just go to the link in the description. I'll put it there so you can get started today. It's all for free. So once you come here, you just generate this text and wait on why this one is being generated. So next thing is to go to YouTube, just search for Minecraft parkour gameplay. Here you see different Minecraft gameplay. Then you also have to filter by Creative Commons. So here you can download this clip and use it for free, speech pattern. So now we have our MP3 voiceover. We have our background video. Then the last thing you are going to need is to get a snapshot of this particular question being asked. So just get a screenshot of it so that it just look like when people are reading through it, or when the video starts, they are going to know that it's actually from Reddit, or it's not something that was made up or anything like that. So I just usually like adding it. You don't have to add it, but just to make it better, I'll just name it Reddit snip. Save it in downloads. So now we have everything now. So next thing we're going to do is go to CapCut. CapCut is a free editing software. You can download it or download for PC or use your mobile, whichever one you have. So what I'm going to do is get the snip, the voiceover and the Minecraft parkour videos, and I'll just drag that to CapCut. So it's pretty easy to use. If you have used CapCut before, you can use the mobile, you can use the PC, whichever one you are most interested in. So the first thing I'm going to do is drag my Minecraft parkour gameplay to the background, since that's, that will be the base of the video. Then, and after doing that, let me just cut this first part. Okay. Then, change the ratio to mobile version. That's 9:16. Drag this out. Then carry the MP3 file down there. So I want to cut the video out so that it just meets exactly when the MP3 starts from. Cut that out. Then I want to mute the video background, because the only thing that matters right now is the MP3. So we don't want anything to disturb the speech pattern. So after doing that, you click. CapCut has its own text to speech, its own caption generating function. So just go to text. Only go to text, go to auto captions, then change it from Chinese to English and create captions. So you can do the captions in different languages. Or what we are interested in right now is English. So we'll just give it a minute for it to generate. So now that it's generated, just go to templates, because I want to make the text a bit more, hyper, a bit more visual. So I want that one by one word on the screen. I think I prefer that for a video like this. Let's just look at how it's playing out. So let's see if it does. So yeah, just one by one word. So let's move it to the center. Then remember the snip we took from Reddit. Let's increase this. So I want to that area that asks that question, like, so let me just remove the text from there. Any parts of this video you don't understand, please let me know, and I'm going to in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So I want this to be the first thing that reads. I don't want it to read in the caption. I want it to just appear like that. So that's why I deleted those first parts of the text. So let's see, is this still... Okay, yeah, that's it. Bring that out. Then drop this. So if you look at the Reddit videos, when you're scrolling through TikTok and see some of these Reddit videos, if you look at it, you see that this is how it was done, with this first snip showing the question, then the rest of the response reading out. So I'm just play it a bit.
Did that you later found out was illegal. I was traveling, and on one leg of the trip, what I thought was a 2-hour layover was actually a 26-hour.
So you can see it's just easy to do, and what you can just do, go to Ask Reddit, or just go to Reddit generally. You see different stories. You can search for different stories, and you see how you just see the questions. Just look for something interesting. Look for something that has high engagement, high upvotes, at least more than 1,000 upvotes, and you can just copy it, convert it to MP3, and put it in CapCut, and CapCut can just generate everything. And once right now we're done with this video, so you can do whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to add your watermark to the video, maybe your handle, your TikTok channel name. You can do all of that and export. If you are new to using this software and want me to, do a deep dive on how to do some of these basic edits, you can let me know. Or you can search YouTube. You'll see different ways of how to do it. But I've been doing these videos for a while now, and it's very easy to do. If you can't do this yourself, you can also go on Fiverr. Now I'll put a link for someone I use to do these videos when maybe I'm too busy to do them. You can get these videos and you can start growing your TikTok channel and get it monetized for the TikTok Creativity Program. So it's as easy as that. Then what I mentioned, so if we meet to the end of this video, thanks for watching, and I'm going to tell you the secrets that I add to this video to make it more engaging. And most of you may not really notice that you would have been watching a lot of these videos, but when converting the text to speech for this Reddit video so that you can get more views, always add people of Reddit. This is what a lot of people don't mention. This is what a lot of just this starting different. If you trust me, if you make 2 videos just by making this change, use one MP3 with how we used it before, and use the second MP3 with this, while adding these people of Reddit, or adding that Reddit. I feel is that Reddit thing being added is going to make a dramatic difference. So this is the change you should use in your video. So whenever you want to do your video, when you're copying text, look for how you add this in the first phrase, so that when that people of Reddit is being mentioned by the voice, it kind of draws people in. It's kind of like a hook. So always add that hook, people of Reddit, or hey Redditors, or women of Reddit. It's about women, topic. Men of Reddit, it's about a male topic, just something like that. So that's it. So that's just it for the video. So when you're done, hit export and generate the video 1080p, and this is okay, and just export it, and just like that you have done a video. And you can just go to Reddit, get tons of text, convert it to MP3, and just start making a video. Once you have downloaded Minecraft background video, you don't need to download any other one again. You can just keep using now. Just be cutting different sections so that the algorithm will just see that, okay, it's different videos. So that's just it. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I do more research like this, and whatever method I use to make money online, I come here and show you how I do it step by step. This is what the goals don't show you by dissecting it down like this. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.